Hello students, welcome to my channel. Here is a math puzzle and we need to find the missing number. Here 36 number is there, next 19, this is 23, 12, 9, 76 and 92, but this number we have to find out, it is missing here. So here we have to find the relations. How we are going to find this? See, we have to find out whether there is a relation. So if we look at the opposite numbers, there is a relation. So we need to find out that. Here this is 9, so here it is 36. So 4 times 9 is 36. Here it is 23, opposite side number is 92. So if you just see, 24 times of 23 is 92. So there is a relation. Here it is 4 times, here it is also 4 times. Here it is 19 and here it is 76. So 4 times of 19 is 76. So we have observed in all the three places opposite numbers are just 4 times of the other number. But here it is 12, opposite number is missing. So here also same rule will apply. Here 4 times of 12 is how much? It will be 48. So 48 is the correct answer here. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, please like it, share it, and also subscribe my channel for more such exciting math puzzle. Thank you everybody for your patience hearing.